Hey guys, thanks for checking out another one of our videos here from Forex for Beginners. It's yours truly, PabloPipsFX. Today's video is all about our Vix75 and Step Index robot and just how well it's been performing. Again, we're going to make this video really short, okay guys, just to get to the point and just to get to the important stuff, alright? Just before we jump into this video guys, if you're not already subscribed to our YouTube channel, go ahead and subscribe. We're releasing hot videos like these, just profitable strategies and robots you can get access to once you become a member of our team, and just strategies you can actually use on the synthetic markets as well as the Forex markets. We do have copy trading, live Forex signals for Forex markets and synthetic markets, so that's for your broker and DERIV. We have copy trading, and we have funded challenge passes services where we help you pass your funded challenges. All right, so go ahead and just tap that bell and follow us on Instagram at Pablo_PipsFX. We're also releasing daily content on our social media over here on Instagram. All right, guys, so go ahead, like and follow, trying to build a community. All right, so just real quick, if you want access to this robot, if you want to download this robot, just go ahead over to my Instagram. Click on the link right here. Just click on, let me see if I can get, just click on this little link right here. And after you click on that, it's going to bring up that. And then you click on this. Alright guys. Someone's calling right in the middle of a video. My God. Alright, so once you do that, you'll be taken to a website to download. You just enter your email and it's sent to the email that you input, okay? And it's processed by Coinbase Commerce. But jumping straight into this video, guys, right off the glance, we're looking at a 3-month period of this account and how well this robot has been performing on this account. So currently they've been optimized. It's been optimized for Vix75 and Step Index. So those are the two pairs you'll see really running the most on this. Any other pairs were just trial and errors and just trying to optimize the robot for those pairs. Yeah, but right here off the bat, last 3 months, we can see the account is up $2,117, guys. Today is day 6. All right, this video is day 6 to 7. So let's go ahead and check out those last days, but we're going to go ahead and just start from the very first day we started running this robot to the very current day. All right, so we started on the 28th. So let's check the progress for the 28th. So the 28th, again, we made 621, right? And you can go back and check the previous videos. It will be the same. All right, the 29th, we made $1,697. As you can see, it's running mostly on Vix75 and Step Index. Like we discussed in our previous video, we were trying to get it optimized for Vix100. It wasn't going so well. We're still working on that. You know, more set files will become available as soon as we have it completely profitable and optimized. All right, guys. So that's why it's so important just to follow us here on this channel and the updates. But let's go to the 30th of December. That was the eve of New Year's Eve. So December the 30th, we made 1,340, 76 cents. So we're constantly profitable as the days go by. We end each day in profit so far. I hope you guys are seeing that. So custom period again, and we go to December the 31st. For December the 31st, we had made $1,263, $1,200 there. And for the first, let's do the first to the second, and to the first to the second, we made $108 there. We were trying to optimize this for basket indices as well, as mentioned in our previous video, and we took a huge loss right here for gold, but that's okay. All we did was remove that pair and further later try to optimize it. So that's all it is. So right now, like I said, guys, the best pairs are step index and volatility 75s, and those are the set files we're offering with your purchase of this robot. Okay, so let's go to the final and last day. So let's do the second to the third. All right, so with that 171 loss there we took while trying to optimize it for a gold basket. We're currently down for the last 2 days $110.62, but that's okay. That's okay. It's like the 3rd of January now. The month is still fresh. A lot of traders are still settling in, and we'll have many more opportunities as the month goes by. Alright, so as you can see, the pairs that we do optimize it for, however, are still hitting those take profit, are closing in profit, and that's all that matters to us at this point. No trades for step index so far, but yeah, so far so good. So let's just continue to watch this until the end of January, guys. Go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell to follow along with us during this journey, as well as go over to our Instagram. Right, go over to our Instagram at Pablo_PipsFX and follow us also on the Instagram, as we're releasing daily content and updating you guys regularly as well on the social media. Alright, and again, if you want to download this bot, go ahead and just tap on this link in my bio. Simply tap on that link in my bio, and then go ahead and tap on this one right here, DERIV AI bot with a profit factor of 9.5. That is what you want to download. If you need to download pass your funded challenges, go ahead, use this link and get your funded challenge package and send me a message. It's that simple. Alright, but that's it for this video, guys. This was day 6 to 7, and it's been yours truly, PabloPipsFX. Until next time, guys, please stay safe. Have a prosperous new year. I'm out.